If you need to get a regression equation from the TI-Nspire, you're going to click the On button. It's going to bring up the home screen. We're going to choose New Document. You're going to say no if it asks you to save. Then you're going to go to number 4, which is Add List and Spreadsheets. Your X numbers are going to go under the A column. So if I look at the M&M experiment, at 0 we started with 20 M&Ms. After 1 flip we had 11 M&Ms. At 2 flips we had 4 M&Ms. At 3 flips we had 2 M&Ms, and 4 we had 1 M&M. Now the 5th time we lost all of the M&Ms, but if you put a 0 into this graph, it's going to into the Y value, it's going to give you an error, so you need to leave off that last point that has a 0. This is only for the exponential graph. All of the others will work just fine. Now, in order to get the equation that goes through those points, you're going to come over to the A column and you're going to click up until this row is highlighted. You're going to click the Shift button and click over until these 2 rows are highlighted. You're going to choose Menu, number 4, which is Statistics, number 1, which is Stat Calculations, and depending on which group you're in, if you're in the linear group, you're going to choose number 3, and it's going to tell you the linear equation. If you're in the quadratic group, you're going to pick number 6, which is Quadratic Regression, and if you're doing the exponential M&M experiment, you're going to pick letter A, which is Exponential Regression. Those are just the 3 types of equations that we're looking at in Algebra 1. So if I click Exponential Regression, come down to the bottom and click OK, you're going to see the equation is 20.7, which is your A value, 20.7 times 0.46 to the X. And so that's the equation that we would use for this particular experiment. Thanks.